It's iPhone 13 pickup day, and we went down to the mall to get our iPhone 13 Pro. Here we are. We're going to go pick up our iPhone 13. We're at the shops in Mission Viejo. I hope there's not a line. I'm a little late. Uh-oh. Okay, even from this distance, there's a huge line. I don't usually do this. I usually have it delivered to me, so this is a new experience. So I was told to go to the back of the line, even though I have a 2 o'clock appointment and it's about 2 o'clock. Yeah, so I was using this camera and it's a little, yeah, it's very shaky, but hey, there it is. Hi, this is Rick. Welcome to VidTech with Rick. Well, we went down to the Mission Viejo Mall and we got our iPhone 13 Pro. Loved it. They didn't want me to film. So this is the Pro Max. Nobody wanted me to film in there. Sir? I stole some shots, actually, of all the iPhone 13 models they had out, and I held them in my hands. I think they looked pretty good. They look about the same as the 12s did, but I like the different colors. But it was all very seamless, very smooth transaction. So he hands me the phone and I open it. I'm trying to open it on camera and it just fell out. It fell out all over the floor or not on the floor, thank God. It fell out on the counter and I'm like, oh, nightmare. And I brought my accessories to the mall and I was able to pop them in at Islands. Okay, so we got our new iPhone. I like this blue. It's very subtle. I was afraid it's gonna be too bright or anything, or too baby blue or too sky blue, but this is like perfect. Okay, so here's my iPhone 13 Pro. I actually started to set it up in the Islands restaurant, but they have this weird Wi-Fi. I can't set it up. I'm here at Islands and they have their own network, but I just tried to sign in and it said, are you trying to sign in from Houston, Texas? I'm like, no, I'm in California. So I brought it home and I'm finishing setting it up here at home. Look at it, isn't it beautiful? I love the color. I mean, the color is just really, really slick. I put it back in its little box because we get a charger here. And this is the little doodad, you know, to take out the SIM card. And we got the little charger. No brick, but that's okay. I have bricks. And look at this color. I mean, it's just really muted. It's very blue, but it's a muted blue. It's not as, I thought it was going to be like a sky blue or a baby blue. It's not. It's like a kind of a muted silvery blue color. And it's beautiful. The bumps are a little bigger, but not much. But it looks beautiful. I love it. The way it feels in my hand, it's not that small. Okay, so my iPhone 12 Pro Max was extremely huge, but now I have the smaller version, which I really like. This is the same size, the 6.1 inch size that I had with my iPhone 11, just regular iPhone 11. So I'm glad I'm back to this size. Fits in my hand really good. The screen itself doesn't look that small compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max that I had. So I think I'll be able to get used to this, and I think this will be great.
The notch is noticeably smaller than earlier versions of Apple's phone, like the iPhone 11 shown here. I don't think you can see the ProMotion effect in this comparison, but I definitely could in real life. Much smoother. Night photography on the 13 Pro is even better than on the 12 Pro Max. This truck was very dark in real life, but it looks fantastic here with little noise. Oh, and cinema mode. Hey, before I forget, thank you for over 2,300 views on my last video.
If you like video technology, video techniques, and video review of products like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, VidTech with Rick, for more fun videos.
I'll do a deep dive on cinema mode later, but my first impressions on these action figures in low light was not great. But again, this was a clumsy quick test, without great light or actual human beings. Sorry, little buddy. That said, I can see the awesome potential of editing the focus later in post. A serious game changer. It's similar to what portrait mode did for iPhone photography. And that's just it. It's great for iPhones, but it's not a professional tool for pros yet.
Okay, so let's put on some of our accessories, shall we?
So all of these were available to order and pick up today. I didn't need to pre-order anything, and now I feel really dumb. But you never know. I love having a clear case, and this one's from Apple, so you know it's going to be like fit and everything's going to be perfect. So that looks good. Okay, now the next thing is to put our little, and let's see. Yep, there it is. And see, that looks pretty good. I was afraid that the colors would look too different, but this was as close to blue as I could get. iPhone delivery, iPhone 13 Pro, and my clear case, and my Apple leather wallet. Okay, so that was my pickup of the iPhone 13 Pro. Very easy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.